Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful technique to boost your persuasive writing and speech skills. It's called a ripe forest. This handy acronym will help you remember some of the most important rhetorical and persuasive techniques out there. Whether you're preparing for an exam or just want to sharpen your writing, this lesson is for you. Let's get started. A ripe forest is an acronym that stands for Key Persuasive Techniques. Each letter represents a different tool that you can use in your writing or speeches to convince your audience or strengthen your argument. Here's what it stands for. A. Alliteration. R. Rhetorical questions. I. Imagery. P. Personal pronouns. E. Emotive language. F. Facts. O. Opinions. R. Repetition. E. Exaggeration. S. Statistics. T. Triplets. Let's break each of these down and see how you can use them. First up, we have alliteration. This is when you repeat the same consonant sound at the beginning of nearby words to make your message more memorable. For example, the brave boy battled the blazing beast. Alliteration creates rhythm and can make your writing more persuasive by making it sound more impactful and catchy. Try using alliteration in your next speech or essay to give your words some punch. Next up is rhetorical questions. These are questions that don't need an answer, but are asked to make a point or get the reader thinking. For example, do you really want to live in a world where no one cares about the environment? Rhetorical questions engage your audience and make them consider your argument from a new angle. Imagery is all about painting a vivid picture in your reader's mind using descriptive language. The goal is to make them see, hear, or feel what you're describing. For example, the sun set in a blaze of orange and red as the cool breeze whispered through the trees. Good imagery helps your audience connect emotionally with your message and makes your writing more memorable. Personal pronouns, words like you, we, and us, help create a connection with your audience. They make your writing feel more direct and personal. For example, we all have the power to make a change. You can help save the planet. Using personal pronouns makes your audience feel involved and responsible. Emotive language means using words that appeal to emotions. It's a powerful tool in persuasive writing because it stirs up feelings. For example, it's heartbreaking to see innocent animals suffer because of human carelessness. Words like heartbreaking and innocent evoke strong feelings and can sway your audience to see your point of view. Facts are essential for credibility. Including real data or information strengthens your argument and makes it harder to dismiss. For example, over 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. When you include facts, you show that your argument is grounded in reality, which can make it more convincing. Now let's talk about opinions. While facts are critical, sharing your opinion can make your writing more personal and relatable. For example, I believe that every person has a responsibility to protect the environment. By sharing your own thoughts, you invite your audience to agree or reflect on their own views. Repetition is when you repeat keywords or phrases for emphasis. It helps your audience remember your point. For example, we must act now, we must act quickly, we must act together. Repetition reinforces your message and makes it stick in your audience's mind. Exaggeration or hyperbole is when you overstate something to make a point. For example, this is the most important decision you'll ever make in your life. While you don't want to exaggerate everything, it can help make certain points feel more urgent or dramatic. Statistics are another way to add credibility to your argument. Numbers can be very persuasive because they seem objective and factual. For example, 75% of people agree that climate change is a serious issue. Whenever you can back up your claims with stats, your argument becomes much stronger. Finally, we have triplets. This technique uses 3 words, phrases, or sentences to emphasize a point. For example, we need courage, determination, and perseverance. Triplets are powerful because 3 is a magic number in writing. It creates a sense of completeness and rhythm. So that's a ripe forest. Just to recap, here's what each letter stands for. A. Alliteration. R. Rhetorical questions. I. Imagery. P. Personal pronouns. E. Emotive language. F. Facts. O. Opinions. R. Repetition. E. Exaggeration. S. Statistics. T. Triplets. These techniques can transform your writing and help you persuade your audience more effectively. Whether you're writing an essay, a speech, or even creating content, keep a ripe forest in mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Let me know in the comments which a ripe forest technique you're going to try out in your next piece of writing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.